I had to change my space when I enter my room, and there's really nothing that sparks inside of me. This year I moved twice in total. Firstly, I moved from Tata to PE, and now I have moved from PE to another place as well. So I constantly had to change how my room looks. If you are a visual person, I know you would understand. I really cannot. I just cannot. I tried, but I cannot stand walls that are like just clear and they have nothing on them. I cannot even describe the feeling, okay, but it just doesn't feel vibrant, like there's no life, you know what I mean? So this was my room before I put on the pictures on the wall. Literally there's nothing interesting there. So because I want to come to a place where I'm comfortable in, and I just want a room where I enter every day, I don't want to go out from, okay? So these posters, originally I got them from Port Elizabeth, and I had to take them down because I had to move, right? So now I just decided to actually put them up again. I think next year I'll probably have a different taste or probably try something different, but I know that there's always going to be something on my wall. And mind you, this was just a random idea. I did not at all plan to do this today. It was just a spontaneous thing, and I am really glad I did it because I felt better after. I know that people are different, and most of y'all might prefer your spaces to be a little bit different from mine, and that is completely okay. I am just in a place where I am learning about her even more. I'm just understanding what she likes, understanding what she hates. If you have been catching up with my Instagram reels, I have begun a series of figuring out what I like in my 20s, because I realized that as much as we do things, daily activities, we really have a routine of doing things. Wake up and then probably go to school, then come back. There are things that I enjoy doing, but I have not apprehended that completely. So there are things that we might not figure out now, but maybe later. But the art of understanding what you want and realizing that you are really immersed and interested in a particular activity is just so beautiful to me, because you get to understand yourself, you get to see another side of yourself that you did not even know. It's just an encounter with yourself that is just amazing to me. I've been living alone for the past 4 years, and I can literally think of the things that I have learned and things that I want to learn from or do better the following year. So it is basically a journey of self-discovery, and I have been into it. For my girlies who have been procrastinating and overthinking if they should decorate their rooms, considering the fact that we are approaching the end of the year, I think you should. That's what I think you should do. Your room, your space reflects on how you think. It changes the entire mood. It changes how you feel about yourself. So if you think you should, maybe you should. Literally, you have nothing to lose but more positive energy and positive vibes to gain. I am literally happy with how mine turned out. I had left a few posters for my study area because I also wanted to be, motivated. I have been feeling very, very tired lately. The year has been so long. I want it to end. So anything that I can do to make me focus and get motivation again, I am literally going to do. I'm so happy with how everything turned out, and I hope this motivates you to also level up your space, have a beautiful space that you stay in, and be happy with yourself. Make yourself happy, love yourself. Bye boo.